Welcome to Puzzle Trader. Let's understand spread, which is spread, okay, and then pips, and then points. All right, let's start with spread. If we're going to be looking here, we see that we have the red and blue line. In between this red and blue line, we have spread. This spread is added by the broker. Actually, there is a spread from actually the real market, which is the liquidity providers, because brokers, they do work with liquidity providers. They work with liquidity providers to help us gain access to the real market, okay, which is the interbank. So in this case, we have liquidity. From this liquidity to the broker. Liquidity has spread also, okay, they provide spread, okay. So this one's the liquidity, they provide the buy and sell, okay, they provide these two, and then they also provide sell and buy, okay, they provide buy and sell, they provide sell and buy, okay. All right, and then right now we're in the broker. This comes with a spread. The market from the liquidity provider comes with a spread, okay, and then the broker has to add their own spread, okay. So they add spread to profit when we buy or sell, or when we sell or buy. Both ways, okay, they profit. All right, we understand that one, okay. So the spread can be wide, can be tight, okay, can be wide, can be tight, or can be actually variable, can be fixed, okay. So depending on which account that you are using, so the spread can be fixed, can be variable, can be tight, can be wide, okay. All right, these are the terms actually that they use for marketing, okay. They're using these terms for marketing. All right, so right now we understand that spread is a profit for the broker. So right now, let's say you buy, okay, you buy or you sell, the broker was already will actually profit. That's why when you enter a trade, you will start at a loss, because of you have to pay the spread, okay. All right, and then the spread, when you're trading in the foreign exchange market, the spread actually, since we know that it's a profit for the broker, the spread can change in terms, let's say their news, okay. It can be wide, okay, in terms of the news. If you don't understand about the news, I'm talking about trading the fundamental, okay. It depends what you're going to be trading, so that's why it's better to understand which part do you want to trade. Do you want to trade the news? Do you want to trade the technical? So if you don't understand about technical and trading news, there's a link in the description below for you to learn more about trading the news. Okay, so brokers, they have spread, right, as a profit, and then they have what we call also commission. Yeah, commission, okay. If right now you place a trade, let's say here you place a trade, you see here I have a commission of 0.05, okay, commission. And the commission, it's in GBP because of the account is in GBP, okay. 0.05, which is actually not dollars, is in this, okay. So this commission, they charge based on the contract size, okay. To get the contract size, it's like this. You go to symbol properties, and then you will see the contract size there, okay. For you not to get confused and understand the other terms, it's better for us to move on so that you can understand. So this commission, they do charge it But these brokers which they charge the commission, usually they are ECN, STP, okay, but mostly the ECN. The ECN, there are many accounts under the ECN. Actually, it's not even many accounts, it's just one account of ECN, okay, ECN. This account has sometimes it's razor, sometimes it's raw, sometimes it's zero. You know, they have many names for it. So this account, they charge only the commission, okay? And then the other accounts, which is the standard account, pro accounts, mini account, they charge the spread. They don't charge you commission for trading, okay? And right now we have pips, okay? And then we have points. Actually, the most important thing is the points, okay? The points is, let's say right now, the market was heading down. You placed a buy on GBP USD. Okay, you place the buy on GBP USD here on this point. Okay, there's a buy of 0.01. Okay, and then the price is at 124.000. Okay, and then the market decide to go up like this and go up. Okay, and then now the price is at 130.000. All right. So the difference between these two, if you minus these two, you will get the points. Okay, you will get the points which you will take to multiply the lot. Okay, the lot, and then you will get the answer is your profit. Okay, the broker will always profit, not from your profit, but immediately when you place a trade, they will start profiting. Okay, so that's how it is. And then the pips, is just a short way. Let me say spread. The pips is just a short way to for you to actually, when you say that now you want to count using the pips, you don't prefer points, because this is percentage in point. Okay, percentage in point. Okay, this is percentage in point, so you can put like this, percentage in point. Okay, this is percentage in point. So this one, if you get this right now, you get a spread or you get points. You can decide to say, okay, I profited, let's say you profited 1,000 points. You profited 1,000 points. All right, so if you profited 1,000 points, the pips, the percentage of the pips, say is 10, which means that it's gonna be this number divide this number. Okay, and then from there, if you minus this, you get 100. Okay, so you profited 100 pips. So if someone is putting in this format, actually it's 100 pips, which is 1,000. All right, I believe now we understand, and this is how it is. And be blessed. Let me know in the comment section below if you still don't understand about the pips, point, spread also, so that I can assist you more further. Be blessed.